Hi, Mickey. What we're going to do is we're going to hide and then we're going to reposition. Okay. Now let me see if I have all the files here. I should have the site. Go into the styles and open up your secondary CSS. See all the little bits and pieces in here? How we have this visibility visible, or we have visibility hidden, display none. So if you want to get rid of something, if you don't want it to display, you just copy this visibility visible, display none. And for the menu top, for example, just boop, scroll over, paste it in, save it, and let's see if that gets rid of it. And you probably figured out, oh, that's actually the sandbox I'm looking at. Sorry, I actually have to view a page here. Let's open that up and preview in Firefox. Yes, let's save it now, update. Thank you very much. And there we go. No more menu. Same with this, the social networking and the Facebook, Twitter. Okay, you can do the same thing, which you probably figured out already, or you just took them out of the page itself. I like to hide things to start with, so that way once I get my page and my site all set up and I'm happy, and then a year down the road or 6 months down the road I know I'm never going to use those again, then I yank them out. Anyways, let's just do the same for the what was it, the Twitter, Facebook, and what else, the bookmark. Okay, so set all these things here to visibility hidden, same with the menu top. Save. I'm just going to save and close the index page here and then refresh now that I have it open. Oh, just realized something. Wow, that's funny. I guess nobody's really noticed that before, but this right here, see this Twitter, Facebook? I want you to do me a favor. Just highlight that hyphen and change it to an underscore. Okay? So instead of hyphen, use an underscore. You see all these are underscores? Yeah, that was a hyphen and that doesn't work. So make that change. Go back to your page and now it'll get rid of it. Okay. Then what we can do is we can find out these different components here and just move them up higher on the page. So we scroll on down. Let's start with a text logo. See the position top of 120 here? Yeah, well, let's start with 40. And this is where you get to play around, have fun, and see what's going to work for you. Okay? That moves it up somewhat. Excuse me. Let's change it to 0. See the text logo, top position of 0. It's going to have a little bit of natural padding. Now here's a situation where we've got the text logo. It sits right on this line here. I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but the C drops down a little bit. I would rather have the C sitting on top, maybe 2 or 3 pixels higher. But then again, the I and the N, and this is just to do with the font, nothing you can do really much about it, except you can move it up a little bit by using a negative number. We can do -2. Save, refresh. That's going to bump it up just a titch. Perfect. Okay. Now, same with anything else down here. Right. This here is the. I'm going to use my Firefox inspect elements. This is the SEO1 and the SEO2. And this here is going to be your logo tagline, and this here is going to be your optional content. So let me show you which bits and pieces here. Pretty much everything in this little group everything grouped within the logos is what you need to update in terms of the top positioning. The logo tagline, and this is just something you get to play around with, maybe 100, right? SEO 1 and 2, drop it by 40, make it 25, and 42, and the optional content, maybe move that up a little bit as well, make it 160, right? So these are all numbers you get to play with, and this is what's going to happen, right? We have our page, we hit refresh, and boom, everything starts to move up. And now you can see where, you make a change and move something up, refresh the page, see how it goes from there.